Hey guys, welcome back to Buildology. So it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but I just had this epic idea and I've got some of these extra fireworks from New Year's, and so I'm thinking we should turn these leftover ground blooms into like these super easy to make rocket engines. Let's try it. New here? Smash that subscribe button and buckle up for the ride. No more talk, let's create some firework mayhem. To build these super simple rocket engines, you'll only need 5 things. A ground bloom, duct tape, small rocks, small drill bit, bentonite clay, or really any kind of dirt, and don't forget a paper towel. The bentonite clay can get kind of messy. Let's get building! Alright, so first of all, grab your ground bloom, and what we're going to have to do is we're going to take this paper off. We're going to peel it off, just like this. All this outside layer. Don't need it anymore. Once you've removed all the paper from the outside, you can next move on to grabbing this fuse here and pulling it out. Set that aside and make sure not to lose that because we'll need that later actually. Next, grab your paper towel because this next step is going to be a little messy. Grab your bentonite clay. There we go. Now you can just take some of the clay or dirt or whatever you're using and spoon it into this little hole here where the wick used to be. You can also use the end of the drill bit to just gently press the clay or dirt down into the hole. Once you've crammed as much clay as you can get in the hole, you can just wipe it off, get it clean, and you can grab one of these small rocks and just cap off the hole with it. Find a nice one that fits, press it in there. Next, just grab your duct tape, peel off a piece about 6 inches long. Now what you're going to want to do is take the duct tape and start right over top where the rock is. Just like that. Wrap it all the way around. As tight as you can make it. There we go. Alright, now grab your drill bit. And on the side that doesn't have the paper, this side has paper and you can push in. On the other side, it has like this clay section, and you're just going to want to find the middle and take your drill bit and drill into it until you start seeing black crystals coming out. Make sure not to use a drill to do this because you could accidentally start it on fire. Once you start seeing this black stuff coming out, you can keep drilling until you stop seeing the black stuff come out. And there you have it. This is what your completed rocket engine should look like. Oh, I just about forgot. We can take this fuse now and push it down into the hole, and this is how we'll ignite the motor. Let's go test it. All right, so I've set up this little test stand here that I'm gonna try the motor on, and yeah, let's light it and see how it works. There we go. Oh, perfect burn. Let's go. So sometime soon I'm gonna try and upload a video about how to make a rocket that you can put these engines in. So that's gonna be really fun. All right, so that wraps up today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again.